Are you ready to transform your dreams into reality? Launching a business feels daunting, right? But what if it could be an exciting adventure? With Launch Engine Pro Enterprise, you'll transform your ideas into a thriving business effortlessly. Imagine crafting a stunning website that captivates and engages your audience. Our program ensures you don't overlook any detail of your business vision. Experience seamless integration of essential features and optimized user experiences. Your platform will attract potential customers eager to connect with your brand. Dive into analytics and feedback for real-time strategy refinement. This tailored approach guarantees impactful steps that drive your business forward. Feel the thrill as your hard work pays off with inquiries flowing in. Remember, you're not just building a business, you're crafting a compelling narrative. Create a community around your brand's unique mission and values. Launch Engine Pro Enterprise offers intuitive templates for your business plan. Say goodbye to uncertainty and glide through each section with clarity. Elaborate on your purpose and articulate your unique selling proposition with ease. Your brand's identity will shine through engaging designs that resonate. Every interaction will reflect your values and mission beautifully. Watch your engagement strategies come to life with our powerful tools. Empower your initiatives to pave the way for a prosperous future. Your entrepreneurial journey with Launch Engine Pro is a thrilling pursuit. Embrace the tools and trust the process for success. Are you ready to let your vision soar? Join us today and turn your business dreams into reality.